In which holy city was Lord Ram born? Option A Dwarka, option B Mathura, option C Ayodhya and option D Kashi. Ivan. Who is the mother of Hanumanji? Option A Mata Kaushalya, option D Mata Anjani, option C Mata Sumitra, option D Mata Yashoda. Dev. When Hanumanji was a baby, what did he try to eat, thinking is what a fruit? Option A again coconut, option B a shiny moon, option C a bright sun, option D a golden ball. What is the name of a heavy weapon Hanumanji carries? Option A Trishul, option B Gada, option B Sudarna Chakra, option D Sword. Veyan Singh. जोर से. Who is known as the Padang Bhakt of greatest devote of Lord Ram? Option A Sugriva, option B Vibhishan, option C Hanumanji, option D Lakshman. How many brothers did Lord Ram have in total? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Dani. Who went to the forest Vanvas with Lord Ram? Option A Sita and Lakshman, option B Bharat and Sugriv, option C Hanuman and Sugriv, option D Ravana.
Lakshman and Sita.
Which bird tried to save Sita Mata from Ravan? Option A Garuda, option B Jatayu, option C Peacock and option D Crow.
Jatayu.
What did Hanumanji give to Sita Mata in Lanka to prove he was a message from Ram? Option A fruit, option B a letter, option C a Lord Ram ring, option D flower. Vian. Ivan. Which magical animal did Sita Mata ask Ram Bhagwan to catch? Option A golden deer, option B a silver deer, option C a blue